are you going to use the
You can
same
verify
details again and again and
you
again?
can, yeah. First of all, you should set a two-factor authenticator, which is always helping for the ad accounts to be more secure, and it's helping you having a better score, I think, and not get banned. And second thing is that you can actually verify your business through the business settings. There are some documents that they will ask you to give and everything. I think that you should do it, but I have seen companies operating without being verified for years without nothing happening. Okay, so it's not something that I can tell you that's mandatory.
Okay. So, and then is it okay if I use the same business details again and again? Because I only have one company.
If your business is flagged somewhere, most probably it's a problem.
Oh no. Oh no. Okay.
Yeah.
Um,
This is why I told you from the start that Facebook is banning businesses and people. They don't ban accounts.
and then
They look at all of these things.